Here are the tools that we'll be using in doing the bushing work. First thing I'm going to show you, this is a caliper. This is an electronic one that measures in inches and also in millimeters, which is very handy because when working with clocks, sometimes the measurements are done by inches and sometimes they are done by millimeters, so it's handy to have a tool that can do both. And has a digital readout on here. You just turn it on there, and as you do your measurement, you can see that it takes the measurement as you move it along. And it's a very handy tool to have, and very worth the money to have them. Also, another thing we're going to be using is a simple bench vise that we'll be using. Also, we're going to be using a bottle cap, and the bottle cap is what we're going to be using the pivot bushing that we select. We're going to keep it in there because they're very small and they can get lost very easily. See, as you can see here are the bushings of various sizes, and they are small. So when we do select the proper size bushing, which I'll demonstrate how to do that, we'll put it into this bottle cap here for safekeeping. Then we've got smoothing broaches here, cutting broaches here. We've got tweezers, a magic marker, and small. This is a 4-ounce ball peen hammer, or you can use a small brass hammer. And we've got, these are the reamers that we will use to ream out the hole so that to accept a new bushing, and a small pin vise. Also, it's highly recommended that you, in this procedure, use a omnivisor like this one. This one here, they come in different powers. This one's a 2 times power, which magnifies, up to a 10-inch distance. It gives you magnification. If you want more power, what you can do is a trick that I use. I buy myself a simple pair of reading glasses. This is either a 100 or a 125 that you can buy at your drugstore. Now if you wear these with these on top, it significantly increases the magnification so that you don't have to buy another omnivisor. And then if you don't think your omnivisor is required in any particular type of repair, then you can use your standard reading magnification type glasses. So in other words, you can switch between 3 different powers of visual aids here by using these in combination.